Busted something.
I did.
And down that path.
Right there.
Okay.
Then you go wherever they just took you. When you come back out, you're going to come back out down there.
When we start off, okay, we go all the way straight to that little cone or whatever.
Yeah.
And then where do we go? We turn.
Cut right to the road.
When I drop my hand, I'll say go at the same time. Have a good meet.
Here.
Runners, take your mark. Get set. Go.
Up there.
Take him! John, come kill this mosquito on my arm.
Come on, Diana.
I don't think I got out there.
I will.
No, I got to hear it so I can...
Alright, here we go. 12:25.
So,
Go. $13.23. $13.26.
And the double is where you try to get your bottom portion of your body up in the air, and then you spin around, and then you look for a certain spot. You always spot on a certain spot when you're in practice, and you look for that, and then you punch your legs out and try to stand up as straight as you can and go in straight.
Why'd you come out here so early?
I came out to see a good football game, and Portage and Maryville always have a good football game. We got here early tonight so we could get good seats on the 50-yard line and to save seats for our other drivers.
Where are you from?
Portage.
Think it's be a good ball game tonight?
It sure will be, because we always have a good game with Maryville.
This is a very important game. This is going to be for the state championship, the way I look at it.
Who do you think's going to win?
Of course, Maryville.
And why'd you come out so early?
Portage fan all the way. I graduate from Portage, and Portage is going to do it tonight.
Think the town's been pretty excited about this ball game this week?
Oh, yeah. Ever since the season began. Portage is always a big game against Maryville. It's like with Valpo and all. And Maryville's going to do, Portage is going to do it. They got to.
The game's not going to start for another 2 hours. How come you're here so early?
We want to get a seat.
Who are you pulling for tonight?
Portage.
How about the town? You think the town's into the ball game tonight?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Because my sister's husband is the assistant coach for Maryville.
Who do you think's going to win the ball game tonight?
Maryville. But I live in Illinois. What do I know?
Well, having followed Maryville for the last 5-6 years, I know what the people there are like. And over the years, they have tended to show up very early for games. And if you like to sit, it's generally good to be at one of their games by 6 or 6:30.
How about the town of Maryville? Are they pretty much behind this ball game tonight?
They support all their athletic programs pretty well. They really do. They give the kids a lot of support.
And why are you here so early?
Get a good seat.
Can I ask you what's in the bag?
Candy. Want to get a seat.
And the game's not going to start for a few hours. Why are you here so early?
Because it's supposed to be a good game. Maryville and Portage is playing.
Who are you pulling for tonight?
Maryville.
How about the town of Maryville? Are they going to be represented well here tonight?
I guess so.
Why are you here so early? Think it's going to be a good ball game tonight? You're going to try to stay warm, aren't you? Who are you for? Are you for Maryville? No? Who are you for?
Portage.
As we do.
The cheapest way to get more from the energy.
Don't use it, you don't have to buy it.
You don't have to buy it. I think it is true that we've made some real progress. Most companies, ours included, have done things to reduce the amount of energy that we use in our manufacturing processes and our buildings and so forth. And we've also done a number of things to